Hello everyone, this is class 6 mathematics chapter 1 knowing our numbers lecture 4. In this lecture, first of all we will recapitulate whatever we have learned in first 3 lectures. First is how to read and write a number in Indian and international system of numeration. In Indian system, we have places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And in international system of numeration, we have places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. In Indian system, we place commas. First comma will be after 3 places, starting from the right side, then after 2, and then again after 2. But in international system of numeration, every comma will be after 3 digit, starting from the right side. Second thing that we have learned is comparison of numbers. When we have to compare two numbers, first rule is to count the number of digits. A number whose number of digits are greater, that number is greater. But if the number of digits are same, then we will check the extreme left side digit of the number. Whose extreme left side digit is greater, that number is greater. Third, that we have learned making numbers with the help of given digits. If we have to make number with the help of given digits, we have to keep in mind whether we have to repeat the digit or not. After that, we have done many statement sums using various mathematical operations. Still, if you have any doubt in any of these topics, then you can go through once again back to our first 3 lectures. Now our next topic is estimation. What is estimation? Estimation is just a rough estimate of a given number. For this, I am giving you one example. India drew with Pakistan in a hockey match watched by approximately 51,000 spectators in a stadium and 40 million television viewers worldwide. Were the exactly 51,000 spectators in the stadium, or did exactly 40 million viewers watch the match on television? Obviously not. The word approximately itself shows that the number of people were near about these numbers. See one more example. Imagine one more situation. There is a big celebration at your home. The first thing you do is to find out roughly how many guests may visit you. Can you get an idea of the exact number of visitors? It is practically impossible. So there are many situations where we have to do estimation. Now I am going to tell you rules of estimation. Our first rule is when we have to round off any number to nearest tens. When we have to round off any number to nearest tens place, first step is to check its ones place digit. If the ones place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we will add 1 to the tens place and ones place digit will become 0. See example. Our number is 475. We have to round off 475 to nearest tens place. We will check its ones place digit, which is 5. I have underlined it. Now if the ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, here ones place digit is 5. So we will add 1 to the tens place. That means 7 will become 8. And ones place digit will become 0. So its rough estimation is 480. See the second example now. Our number is 2387. We have to round off this number also to nearest tens place. Its ones place is 7. It is greater than 5. So again we will add 1 to the tens place. 8 will become 9. So it is 2390. But if the ones place digit is less than 5, then there will be no change in tens place digit and ones place digit will become 0. Example is 8421. We have to round off this number to nearest tens place. So check the ones place first. Ones place digit is 1. It is less than 5. So there will be no change in tens place. It will remain same 2 only and ones place digit will become 0. So rough estimation of 8421 is 8420. Second rule is when we have to round off to nearest 100. When we have to round off any number to nearest 100 place, first step is check its tens place digit. If the tens place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we will add 1 to the 100 place and ones and tens place digit will become 0. See the example, 483. We have to round off it to nearest 100 place. So we will check the tens place. Here the tens place digit is 8, which is more than 5. So we will add 1 to the 100 place. 4 will become 5 and rest 2 digits will become 0. So it will become 500. See one more example. 2352. Its tens place digit is 5. So if the tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, then we will add 1 to the 100 place. So here also tens place digit is 5. So we will add 1 to the 100 place. 3 will become 4. And rest ones and tens place digit will become 0. So our rough estimation is 2400. But if the tens place digit is less than 5, then there will be no change in 100 place. And ones and tens place digit will become 0. Example 8423. Here the tens place digit is 2, which is less than 5. So we will not make any change in 100 place. 4 will remain 4 only and ones and tens place digit will become 0. So it is 8400. Now here is one more thing, that is general rule. What is this general rule? General rule means round off each number to its greatest place. If the number is given up to thousands, that means in thousand if number is given, so you will round off it up to 1000 place. And if the number is up to tens place only, then you will round off it to the tens place. This is the general rule. Now see exercise 1.3, question number 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. Earlier I have told you what is general rule. Now see how we will estimate it. Question is 730 multiply by 998. 730 rounded off to nearest 100 is 700. And 998 rounded off to nearest 100 is 1000. How we have done this? 730 is here the highest place is, greatest place is 100. So we will round off 730 to nearest 100 place. And for rounding any number to the 100 place, we will see the tens place digit. Tens place digit is less than 5. It is 3 here. And if it is less than 5, then there will be no change in 100 place digit. It will remain same. That is 7. And rest 2 places, rest 2 digits will become 0. So the number is 700. And in 998, when we will round off it to nearest 100, we will see again the tens place, which is 9, greater than 5. So digit 9 which is at 100 place will become 10, and rest 2 digits which are at ones place and tens place will become 0. So it will become now 1000. Now we have to find out estimated sum, which is 700 plus 1000, which is equal to 1700. Now see one more question. Estimate the following product using general rule. It is 1291 multiplied by 592. When we are rounding off 1291, its highest place is 1000. So we will round off it to nearest 1000. So when we are rounding it to nearest 1000 place, we will check the 100 place. Its 100 place is 2, which is less than 5. So there is no change in 1000 place digit. It will remain 1 only, and ones, tens and 100 place will become 0. So 1291, when we are rounding it to nearest 1000, it will become 1000. And 592, its highest place is 100. So we will round it to nearest 100 place. For this we will check the tens place. Tens place is 9, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 at 100 place. That is 5 will become 6 and rest 2 places are 0. So 592 will become 600. So estimated product is 1000 multiplied by 600 equal to 6 lakh. Now hope you have understood how to estimate. Your homework is do exercise 1.3 question 1 to 3 all parts in notebook.